Creating a rewind effect in CapCut requires precise steps to ensure a smooth, professional-looking result. Here's an expert breakdown of the process. Step 1. Reverse your video. 1. Import your video into a new CapCut project. 2. Navigate to the reverse feature and apply it. This will process the clip frame by frame, ensuring fluid playback in reverse. 3. Once the reversing process is complete, tap on the speed menu. Select normal speed, then increase the speed until your clip is condensed to 3 seconds. This accelerates the rewind effect, making it more dynamic. Step 2. Add the rewind overlay 1. Open the overlay menu. 2. Import a rewind overlay video, which you can source from the comments or external assets. 3. Trim the overlay, keeping only the backward moving section as this aligns with your reversed footage. Scale the overlay to 100% so it fully covers your main video. 5. Navigate to the splice menu and select the filter blending mode. This merges the overlay seamlessly with the base footage. Step 3. Apply a glitch effect for a digital rewind aesthetic 1. Open the effects menu, tap Video Effects. 2. Go to the glitch category. 3. If you are a CapCut Pro user, choose Snow Glitch for a high-quality distortion effect. 4. If using the free version, apply the standard glitch effect instead. Tap Adjust and modify the following parameters for a polished look. Lateral chromatic aberration, set to 80 for a strong RGB color split. Range, adjust to 20 to control the extent of the glitch effect. Final steps in exporting. Preview the rewind effect, ensuring smooth playback and glitch transitions. Fine-tune adjustments if necessary, e.g., modifying speed, intensity, or overlay blending. Once satisfied, export the final video in high resolution for optimal clarity. This method ensures a cinematic, glitch-enhanced rewind effect that feels fast-paced and dynamic. If you want to enhance it further, consider adding sound effects, e.g., tape rewind noise, for extra realism. Would you like recommendations on where to find high-quality rewind overlays? Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.